Namaste, my friends, and welcome or welcome back. This very short practice will be all about making your shoulders feel better. So if you have any tension, any pain, any discomfort in your shoulders, in your arms, or in the upper back, this definitely is the practice for you. You won't need any props, you won't need anything. Actually, we all the time I will be sitting, so you can do it at work, you can do it at home, anywhere you wish. And I really hope that in the end your shoulders will feel so much better. Namaste. And we start by rolling our shoulders up and back, couple movements to warm them up. You can incorporate your breathing. With the inhale, you bring shoulders up. With the exhale, down with your own speed. And in the opposite direction, up. Inhale, down, exhale. And try to make these rounds as deep as possible, trying already to incorporate your shoulder blades. Very well. Now a couple movements with our back as well. With the exhale, we round the back, looking at the navel. With the inhale, we gaze forward and up, arcing our back, chest goes up, and exhale. Inhale. Once again, exhale. Inhale. Exhale and inhale. Now with the exhale, we stay for 3 breaths in this position. Bring your chin closer to your chest. You can help yourself holding your knees. And with the next inhale, arcing the back, gazing forward, chest up and forward. Feel the stretching in your body, in the back as well. Do it like you mean it. Very well. Now we bring our hands up, interlace the fingers, and palms looking up. In this position, I would like you to raise your shoulders as much as you can and stretch up with the risen shoulders. Gazing forward, and you can stay in any seated position on the chair, the simple pose in the Ardha Padmasana as I do, something comfortable that you don't think about. Couple movements to the sides, to the right and to the left. As everything in our body is interconnected, we need to warm up as well other parts. And we release the shoulders. Now we bring our hands on the shoulders, and again, couple movements, couple rounds with our hands on our shoulders, and in the opposite direction. Very well. I already feel the burning in my shoulders. Now bring both hands to the back, interlace the fingers and open the lock. How to understand if you open the lock correctly? If you try to bend your elbows, both elbows go inside, so they don't go outside, they go inside. And we stay in this pose. You can simply interlace them and trying to open like this, gazing forward. Don't try to arc your back too much. There's a small arc, natural. And here we try to raise our hands as much as we can and staying in this position. Full breaths with our chest. Feel the stretching. And once again, inhale. And exhale very well. Now we bring our right hand in front of us. We bring it to the left. And we push with our left arm up the elbow. Like this. And you can do it like that, as much or as little as you feel for today. Or all the way. You can keep your hand, you can keep your arm extended, or you can bend it in the elbow. Very well. And the left one is in front of you. We help to bring it to the right. Straight hand for now. And we start pushing a bit in the place above the elbow. Don't hurt yourself. Do what you can. One more inhale. And exhale. Perfect. Now we will do the Gomukhasana position, but only with our hands. So we raise the right arm up, right hand up. We bend it in the elbow, and the left one goes down, bending in the elbow. We're trying to connect the fingers behind our back. If you cannot do it, simply sit like this in this position, and both of the hands are directed towards each other behind your back. Very well. Now with the inhale, we bring both hands parallel to the floor. And next one, the left hand goes up, the right one goes down, and trying to connect the fingers. Inhale, exhale, and couple movements here. Hands parallel, then one is bent up, one is bent down, trying to touch fingers of one hand with another. Working towards the mobility in our shoulders. And you can do it together with the breath. Inhale, hands parallel. Exhale, bend both elbows. Inhale, parallel. Exhale, bend both elbows. Once again, on one side. Inhale and exhale here. We're trying to interlock our fingers. If not, you simply stay in the position that you can, gazing forward. Feel the stretching of your arm. Feel the opening in your chest. And with the next inhale, both hands parallel, and with the exhale, left hand is up and bend in the elbow. Right one is down, trying to interlock your fingers. If not, simply staying like this. What we need right now is the opening of the chest and the stretching of this side all the way. Gazing forward, couple breaths. Another inhale, and we release both of our hands. Now we will do couple movements with our torso. So here we do rounds. We're trying to start this round not in our belly, but in our pelvis. Like that. Be sure that sit bones are nicely pushed to the ground. Try to do it as deep as you can, but not forcing it. We don't want your buttocks to raise from the yoga mat in one direction, in another. Simply couple movements for the spine. And if you're sitting in the chair, for example, you can do it on the chair. Very well. Once again for the shoulders. Garuda with our hands, or the eagle pose. Bringing our right hand in front of us. The left one goes down, and then with your palm up and unite both palms. Here you do the inhale, and the exhale, you bring both hands up. Feel the stretching. Inhale to the center. Exhale, both hands a bit down, as much as you can, or as little as you can. Inhale to the center. Exhale to the left. All this construction. Inhale to the center. Exhale to the right. Inhale to the center. Exhale here. Once again, inhale. And we release our amazing structure. Do the same on another side. So the left hand is in front of you. The right one goes down. And the palm touches another palm. Perfect. Here, inhale to the center. Exhale up. Feel the stretching in the arm, in the left arm. Inhale to the center. Exhale down. Oh, that's a beautiful stretching. Inhale to the center. Exhale to the right. Inhale to the center. Exhale to the left. Inhale to the center. Exhale to the center. Inhale once again. And exhale, release. Now we interlock our fingers behind of our back. We open the lock once again. If you try to bend your elbows, they go one towards another. And we go down as much as you can. If you can go down only like this because there is a table in front of you, well, actually better to bring your chair a bit further from the table. Trying to go all the way down, bringing the lock with your fingers over your head and trying to bring it as low as possible. If you're sitting on the yoga mat, you can put your forehead on the ground. Staying in this position, couple breaths. All the time trying to bring the lock a bit further. For the next inhale, raise to the starting position. Here, do a couple movements. Up and down. Maybe you would like to simply do a couple movements that you feel like, I don't know, once again, stretch our hands in different directions. Maybe interlock both fingers, and trying to squeeze our belly back, rounding the back. Like this, then opening it once again. And now the last one, but not least, we'll do a couple movements with our neck to trying to release a bit the tension in the shoulders. To feel a bit better in any direction. It's not important. It's not important if you bring head back or down. I want you to simply feel what your body needs and to do that. A couple rounds, and when you're ready, when you already feel good, we finish our practice. I thank you for doing it with me. I hope your shoulders feel so much better. Write in the comments what you think, and see you in the next video. Namaste.